In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add HTML code in WordPress. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to log into your WordPress account. And after that, I'm going to show you guys how you can add HTML code to your WordPress. Now, the first thing, let me just copy a random code. Just like, let's say that I want to add a YouTube video, for example. I'm just going to click on this share, and I'm going to click on embed. And this is a code, okay? It's an I'm going to paste it on my website. Now, what you need to do, guys, after you open your WordPress, you need to click on pages, okay? And after you click, guys, on pages, you will find here all the list of pages that you have on your website. Now, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to select which page you want to add an HTML code to. So, for example, I want to add HTML code to this page. Click on it. Now, after that, what you need to do, guys, you want to just find a place where you want to add an HTML code. For example, I want to add it here. Just click this plus button in the top left and click on code. And next thing, you want to just find a place. Okay, you just want to, after you click on code, you want to find which place you want to add that HTML code. Okay. So after you click on somewhere here, you will see this plus button. Okay, you might find it here. As you can see, this plus button. Just keep clicking and this plus button will show. Click on it and click on code. And here you have to write the code, like paste here the code. And you want to click on update in the top right. So that's exactly how you can add. Now, if I click on preview, I'm going to select desktop. Now I have successfully added the HTML code here. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add a code to your WordPress website. So I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.